let's come to the main movie now. So we've been talking about who acquired us. There's no website. Who acquired us? Everybody is talking about all this. I'm sure some of you would be having a tea break talking about this acquisition. So let me talk about this, give you a little bit of background. What is in it for you? That is what is more important than my side of the story. So it has been Innova Solutions is the company which acquired us. The person who founded the company is Raj Velagapudi. I'm sure some of you know, some of you have got the inquisitiveness of doing some research in the internet, could Google his name and probably get some inputs. But I would like to give you certain information about who he is, so that you will know the person who runs the show is probably about maybe 10, 15 or 50 times more than what I am capable of doing. So which means if you have been awed by the growth of our company through my leadership, this person whom I am referring to as Bottas is probably 15, 20, 50 times capable than me. The reason is, I will tell you the reason. The first acquisition probably he did when he started Innova way back in 90s, late 90s. He sold it to a company called Nest Technologies. So that is probably a pretty standard acquisition which took about 8-10 years of his hard work, toil. Did a fantastic job. He managed to get it out to the company called Nest Technologies, which was an Israeli-based company. I wouldn't be very much interested in talking about that acquisition because that was an old hit. You know, it's like Rajnikant's old movie, which is a hit. We don't talk about that. We talk about the latest hit, right? The reason why I'm saying that is exactly in the recession time, in 2009, when the markets tanked. In the US, the market was literally tanked. If you look at the stock markets, it was completely out, no jobs, it was starving, the market was completely dry. He started a company during that time, so which means, and then in a span of 12 to 18 months, he took the company up to a very, very large scale, then made it grow public, which is what he sold it to a company called HP, Mphasis. That's what he sold his company eventually. So basically what he did was, what he tried to learn in 10 years time, he put it in 1 year or a little above 1 year, maybe. Scale that company. And then he merged, that company got acquired by HP, which is like, how many of you know HP? Mphasis. So that's the kind of corporation, he merged the company. So he has a very, very strong background of excelling, right? So what it means to you right now, what this merger means to you in essential terms is, there is a lot of excitement that will happen. And today, honestly speaking, if I have to chart out a true definition of growth, I can only give you a true definition of growth only by this kind of acquisition. If I am going to merge with a larger entity and redefine all your roles in a much meaningful way, that's when the growth can actually happen to all of you. I'll tell you the reason why. If you keep fast forwarding, let's say we have not gone through this acquisition, and if you keep fast forwarding the work, what you keep doing, right? You will need to understand that you will be on the same rut hole all the time. You will never be able to have got an opportunity to scale in your career. It is like, for example, when we talk about the corporate HR, when we talk about that corporate within quotes, we don't brand our company in that, if it makes sense to you, right? We don't put CTS in that paradigm and say we are a corporate. For us, corporate means it's TCS or Wipro or things of that nature, that the other, so-called others. But today it's an opportunity for, we have created an opportunity for all of you to meaningfully get into without you doing too much to yourself. Which means there is a lot of excitement which will happen. There is a true meaningful reason for this in terms from a career perspective, because I am sure all of you are pursuing a career, right? You're not going to do any farming anytime soon, right? You're not going to do something else. In the same realm of where you're going to work, it makes an absolute sense for you to continue, which will help you redefine your career the right way. And the most important thing what you will start getting in time to come is additional responsibilities. Slowly and very steadily you will start getting additional responsibilities. Let me tell you one example of what that additional responsibility means. Without naming the customer today, the kind of resume churns and the things what you do to do your closures is like the movie called Herculean Task. It's like moving many mountains to do your closures, isn't it so? Right? Too much of variables are there and so on. Now the same team, let's visualize for a moment that we have, let's say, an Apple as a customer, or a top company like Rackspace, or giving an example, or Wells Fargo, just giving some names here, and you people have to recruit about 500 people, 300 people in your own development center, working at your office, or creating a development center here in Chennai, and you'll have to deploy them. All of them will be in your own payroll and so on and so forth. Would that be an easier way to source, or is it going to be difficult compared to what you do currently?
More easy.
Easier.
Right? Common sense. It's a lot more easier for you to fulfill opportunities where you can brand yourself nicely well, you can close positions much more effectively, and your predictability ratios are much higher than what it used to be currently. Today nothing you can predict. Everything is up in the air in terms of what you can determine as results to come. Right? Either the customer has to decide or the candidate has to decide. You have no decision making power here. Right? With a little bit of luck, you might land up in your closures. But when you have such kind of opportunities come your way, you can play a very important role in making it happen, because you are the decision making authority. That's where the responsibility comes to you. That's where the growth actually comes to you. You will not be dealing with too much of resumes and too much of BGC failures and too much of interview bailout and all that stuff, because you will be hiring for your own office, your own team. That's a lot more easier for you, honestly speaking, than hiring for a system integrator like what we're currently doing. So, so once you start getting this additional responsibilities, what comes to you is a good position in the company. I'm very sure none of you would have visited the new premises, what we have gone in the OMR. So, honestly speaking, this place is convenient for people. But when we talk to people outside, it doesn't give a software development company branding. Okay? It doesn't give, honestly speaking, let me be very honest here, let me be very straightforward here. When somebody asks me where my office is, I will always say it's Ashok Nagar. At least Westmamalam is 100% residential. This is 100% residential. So I slightly deviate saying that it is near Pillar. I will say like that so that I save the face that I'm not in a 100% residential locality. And honestly, 2 years back I lost a huge contract just because I was having an office, we were having an office here. A huge contract. The customer came, looked at this place all, and it was a nightmare for us. It's like your house is so dirty when your friends are coming, and you will see how difficult it is for you to entertain your friends when your house is really dirty, right? You'll never even ask them to, you'll never even want that kind of an uninvited guest, right? That's how I felt when the clients came into this office. So the branding initiatives are very important for a company. That's where you will see a sea of difference in yourself. Because today, the makeup of this world is, when in Tamil they say, right, all padi, aada padi, no. And the Mari, it is very important for the company scaffolding, the branding as a holistic thing is considered to be a very vital structure for the growth of any organization, for the attracting of talent. I have found excuses given by the team not being able to hire the right people just because we never had the right branding. Because I have seen a lot of people who come, in 24 hours they will vanish. in the same office, I have seen many faces who have come for the training, who have come for the induction and so on, and then they silently vaporize in thin air. It is not because of anything else. It's because they have a perceptive mind of what they want to see, and that is not being seen here. It is fortunate that we were able to cross that boundary with all of you, and that's why you are still here. Otherwise, you would have also floated your resume, you would have also gone. You know, we all know that. So, coming back, I'll come back to Raj's story actually. So, when I talk about audacity, you need to have a lot of audacity in terms of doing your business, right? So, I draw a very important example here. When 99% of us would have stayed indoors when the market tanked, right? When it is raining, we always stay indoors, right? Like that in 2009, when the market tanked during the recession times, he had the audacity to start a company called Fortify, and then he scaled that company and then sold it to Mphasis. That is, that's a story which he can always resonate as to how he was able to scale the company during a recessionary market. If somebody can pull off a company during that time, I'm sure with this current market situation, he could do 100 times better. But for him to be able to do that 100 times better, he needs an absolute committed team like you to be able to deliver that. Please understand. He has not acquired just the company. The company is made of people. I've been telling this right from the time I interact with people, right? It's all made of you. And if he has got a dream of what he wants to build, what he wants to scale, and that cannot happen without your involvement. He could put any dreams, he could put any plans, but you are the limbs and eyes and ears for that to make it happen. You understand? So the main important message that I am trying to give you here is, at this point of time, this is a golden opportunity for every individual here for you to define and redefine your career. Okay? And basically, you're going to work only on your strength. You're not going to do anything rocket science. We're not asking you to build a rocket. We're not asking you to develop a C++ code. We're not asking you to write codes. We're not asking you to learn anything out of the box. All we are asking you to do is to work on your strength and start developing from there. Now, when I come down, few people ask me, why did you do this? Some people ask me as to, did you check with somebody else? Did you have second choices? You had any other options? And so on. People, they want to ask questions, so they have the right to ask. So they ask, and I have my duty to answer such people also. So, I have seen Raj at a distance. Way back, when his first stint in Innova Solutions, I've seen him from that time onwards as to what the DNA of that person is. And when I started interacting with him and to what this innings is planning out to be, he had extremely good plans. He had extremely tall plans. He had fantastic, exciting information for us to be able to get associated with. And then, at one hand, I thought about all of you. So this is where I can have a very logical growth path to all of you. I can just merge you into the mothership and make things happen. There is a lot of commonalities. And what we're going to learn is that, I will give you a roadmap separately on what the business plan is, because we're going to do specific technologies. We're going to focus only on specific technologies, which means that currently the active pipeline of opportunities in North America where we are pursuing for opportunities are for customers whom I have never been able to even get to their doors. For example, We're talking about an opportunity with Apple, where they talk about 100 people. Straight developers, roles there, 100 people. Like that, we have about 6 to 8 companies, customers with whom we are engaging in a very active conversation. And that is right there. We have a huge change from what we used to do to what we will be doing. This transition is going to take some time, and once this transition happens, I'll be very glad to see a very important role played by every individual, and I'll make sure that I carve out certain roles depending on where your strength is. Now, what is the immediate goal? What's the takeaway message in this meeting? There is something called, this entire merger and acquisition has happened in 3 different stages. The one is called a minimum guaranteed payment. Maybe it might be too much of jargons for you, but it's fine. There is another component called an earn-out component. I would like to explain to you for a moment as to what this earn-out component is. This is basically a target they have given us. There is a target they have given us for the next 2 years, and we will have to make sure that we achieve these targets, right? So what is in it for you? What is in it for me? There is a lot of motivation for us to go after this targets for one reason, is that there is a lot of monetary attraction. That's the first level in which I would like to motivate people, that there is a lot of monetary attraction towards why you need to stay committed for the coming months to come. So make sure that you have an opportunity, you go the extra mile in terms of getting your targets done. You go the extra mile in terms of getting your numbers done. Any small things that you go an extra mile will always help in the bigger scheme of things. So that is more important than what it talks about. So anything else? Any other questions? With respect to the office move, I'm sure we've been working on a very constricted environment, but we had all the best bells and whistles. But at the same time, you are free to go there, take a visit. Our office is going to be much before the toll begins. For people who come from the Velachery and that side of the belt, it's fantastic. It's less traffic and so on. But we are arranging commute for the rest of the people. So one of the best things that I would see, I see that is that once the commute is arranged, you work on a fixed schedule. It does not matter. So there is no Upenders and the Vinods of the world who will ask you to throw resumes after that time, because you know that your commute will leave. So I'm sure in the first 3-4 days things will automatically come. So I was telling Guru, this is the time in which you will bring a lot of discipline to yourself also. So you will have enough time for yourself, because we are asking you, there is a commute there, and it automatically will help you reach your place at the time when you need. So we are going to arrange commute for everybody, so you don't have to worry about transportation. There is transportation that's available for you. The best thing is, I went and saw the office. It's a pretty decent. I visualized a lot of things which I wanted to provide you. Unfortunately, I was not able to provide you because of the space where we were in, and the restrictions were one too many here. And every time we wanted to move, the decision of moving out to a different and a bigger place and all that, first thing first is whether we will be able to afford it. People are talking about a lot of expectation in terms of real estate here. We have to think 10 times whether we can afford it, whether the business can afford it. Without any much differentiation at this point of time, we are now moving to a better place, a place where you will have all the facilities. I'm sure you will really like it, because we have an exclusive space for ourselves. I don't know how many of you visited the office. Oh, good, okay. So the main people have visited, so the other team members, anyway, you have no choice. I want you to go and take a look at it. We have got an exclusive space for us. We have got good large meeting halls. You can take your official calls and keep talking on the phone however longer you want, with a lot of privacy. That's what is more important. There's a lot of pantry space available, so you can go upstairs, have a breath of fresh air, and keep continuing to do your closures. And Yeah, so it's like any other normal move, normal office shift. So for the better, we're not restricting the size, we're not letting go of any people, we want to hire more people, we want to give more opportunities to people. More is better, right? Yes? So that's where we are right now, and I'm very glad. And I hope to see all of you faces when I come back the next time. I should not see any missing faces stating that the commute is very difficult and I had this, I had that and all that stuff. I really wish, if you have any concerns, you can always, talk to me or Guru or Upender or people around. I'd like to definitely work with you. Make sure that we accommodate and make sure that I want each one of you to, come forward and carry this journey. It will be very exciting. I can guarantee you that much. Just that we are putting all the puzzles into places. It's going to take its own time because he has merged 2-3 entities together. Raj has got A, B, C together. So just one small entity itself is like a watch. If you open the watch, there is so much of moving parts inside. You'll never know. But the watch works perfectly fine. Today, all of you do not have an impact of all this acquisition. I'm sure you know that, right? None of you felt any impact of this acquisition. If that is the case, there are 3 companies that got married, not just 2. So it's very important that there are too many moving parts. We're trying to make sure that everything is seamlessly done without affecting the morale of the business, morale of the people. Nothing is going to get changed. If at all, if it is going to change, it's going to change for the good, for the betterment. So, in that spirit, I want all of you to continue giving that same support. And I'm very thankful at this point of time for every individual who has been a part of this journey. I'm very, very thankful. Okay? So I'll leave it at that. Thank you so much.
So when will be the moving date? That's
We'll be